going to return to their desk, and when they have both read to each other, you're going to again start at the top, and you're going to move your template along, and you're going to do your writing alerts. You're going to say indent, strong capital, write, punctuate, and eliminate, and the students will begin at the top with writing your topic sentence. Once your topic sentence, or actually your question, your snapshots, and then your topic sentence, once that is written, that is paragraph 1. So if we check it over, have you ever dreamed of recess during class? And then we're going to eliminate because we've punctuated. I have recess rocks. I have recess rocks. And recess is my favorite part of the day for 3 reasons. It is my favorite part of the day for 3 reasons. Wrote a little bit different, but again, still says the same thing. Check for punctuation, check for capitalization. And now we see that it's paragraph 2. So if it's paragraph 2, that means we're going to need to indent again. So we're going to take 2 fingers, indent. To begin with, the best part of recess is hanging out with my friends. And I've punctuated there, so I'm going to eliminate. And then I'm going to move down. Here I'm going to put numbers 1, 2, and 3. To let myself know that I should be writing at least 2 to 3 sentences. We love to hang out in groups, talk about anything and everything. We enjoy playing different sports and planning what we will do after school is over. So I wrote this one all by itself and explained it more, and then I combined these 2. But at least I have 2, so I have some good explanations in there. Then I'm going to move to a new paragraph, which of course means indent again. And I'm going to write, in addition to friends, snacks are an important part of recess. And then I'm going to write that down. It's because I'm always hungry. Doritos, water, and Snickers are things I enjoy. And then I'm going to eliminate those. And kind of a pick-me-up, I said snacks fill me up so I can survive until lunch break. And then I'm going to eliminate that. I'm going to move my template up. And I'm down to already paragraph 4. And you're going to find that the more your kids do this, the quicker they are. Just recently I was working with a 5th grade class, and they probably wrote this whole essay in about 7 to 10 minutes once they had their outline completed, and they were really excited. So it was really fast. Sports ultimately make recess complete, and of course right there you have punctuated. And then you are going to eliminate. You're going to move your template up. You're going to continue to move this one down. You're going to have, of course, your numbers. Okay, and then you're going to write them. Team sports like soccer and basketball are extremely exciting because you run a lot and play with your friends. I explained the team sports, and I actually threw something else in there besides soccer. And then I said tetherball is another sport, but is one you compete on one at a time. So I showed that that was an individual sport. And it said it gives me a rush when I hit the ball and it flies crazily around the pole. So I gave some more explanations of tetherball. Then I'm going to move my template up one more time. And this time, this is where it gets a little complicated on your screen, but I'm going to move it up, and I know that these 4 things need to be on there. It'll take me about 4 sentences. So the first one is recess and energy. Recess is the time to use up energy that is bottled up inside. I'm going to punctuate there. I'm going to go up and eliminate here. And then we've got break from class. So mine says, it is a break from class for our bodies and our brains. That's a really fun sentence. And then I'm going to go up and eliminate. You should check it out. As far as I'm concerned, oh, and I seem to have forgotten that one. Oh, no, I did. I put it at the end. I put my topic sentence next. As far as I'm concerned, school without recess would be like a day without sunshine. Boring. You should check it out. So what I did here, because it sounded better to me, is I put those in a different order, making sure that my concluding sentence was there, but then putting my challenge to the reader last. Now, once I have that completed, I, of course, have to put a title, and today I chose my title to be called A Needed Break, and I put an exclamation mark to show feeling. And then I went back to my template and checked to make sure everything was checked off and eliminated. And then I took my essay and reread it with a girlfriend or a guy friend in my class, a buddy, and checked all of my work to make sure that I had indented 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And each time that I have my commas, my capitals and periods, every time I see a period, I check for a capital. Any other spelling I might have, I'll use my dictionary or thesaurus to help me before I turn my paper into my teacher. And by that time, I should have a perfect multi-paragraph essay.